Copying estimates in OrderPro is a simple process. First, locate the original estimate under Estimate Search by searching for the project name. Click the estimate action icon to the left of the project line and choose Copy. OrderPro will copy the project into a new estimate. Because OrderPro is treating this as a new transaction, you will be required to go through the Factory PO Information button. If you try to place the order without going through this step, you will receive error messages asking you to go back through this button. Inside the Factory PO Information button, you will notice the information from the original estimate will be copied into this window. Hit the Continue button at the top left until the Finish button appears. Then click Finish. OrderPro will return you to the estimate page. Notice that the original entry lines are now yellow. To clear the yellow highlights, click the Validate All button. Once the validations run, you will see the yellow highlights disappear. Then whenever you're ready, you can place the order into the factory by clicking the Place Order button at the top of your estimate page. Thank you for your continued support in using Ceco OrderPro, and we will look forward to seeing your purchase orders come through into the factory.